Kennel family. I got Willow out here today, taking her for a little walk, taking her for a little stroll. Look at this girl, man. She's definitely a Merle, you know what I'm saying? Look at the structure on that girl. Look at the face on this girl, man. She one of mine, bulls. She has a little underbite, but it's all good. I'm gonna clean that out with Boss Baby. But yeah, this is my girl right here. Look at this. Yeah, man. Some bully kennels, man. But anyways, yeah, this girl, I'm learning a lot in the bully game right now. I'm learning, what to do with the bulls. I got the TCI machine coming, the progesterone machine coming. I got definitely a bunch of stuff coming. I'm doing this bull thing right. I'm not like doing it half-ass, going to get a progesterone test from this person, that person. I'm actually getting all the equipment. I'm going to be fully set up. I'm going to be doing my own TCI, my own progesterone, my own everything over here at Boston Bully, man. I'm doing everything in-house. I'm learning everything. I'm learning how to do everything. I'm learning how to, watch the heats and watch everything. This is going to be one-stop shop over here at Boston Bully. I'm not going to go out and get progesterone tests from anybody. I'm going to have all the equipment on deck. These dogs, I'm going to breed my own dogs. I'm going to do my own thing. But look at this girl right here, man. Look at the color on her. Look at the structure on her. This girl's 8 months right now. Sherry went through her first heat. Second heat, taking her to Boss Baby. You know what I'm saying? Look at the structure on this girl, man. Look at this bull. Look at this bull. Look at this girl. Look what we doing over here at Boston Bully, man. We don't play around. Look at this girl. Look at the Merle on her. Her blood's heavy, too. So her and Boss Baby, definitely gonna be official. Look at this girl. Come on, girl. Look how cute she is. This is what we doing over here at Boston Bully, man. Yeah. Look at the spots, the Merle spots on her. She definitely gonna throw some Merle kids, her and Boss Baby. He's ticking though, you know what I'm saying? So he definitely gonna have some ticking with her. Some Merle, definitely official. Definitely, a real bull. A real darn bull. Over here at Boston, man. But yeah, anyways, I'm just taking a little stroll with my girl. This girl, man. Stop. What's up, girl? Come here, mamas. Look at this girl. Look at that. Look at the structure on that girl. She got full tail, too. So she definitely gonna throw me some Merle with full tail. You know what I'm saying? Boss Baby don't got full tail, but she got full tail. Look at the structure on that girl, man. She's a real bull. Look at that. Look at this girl. Come on, girl. Come on, mamas. This is my baby, man. All my dogs are my baby. I love all my dogs, man, like humans and kids. These are my full-grown kids, man. Figure I'll shoot y'all some better content soon, too, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna be definitely seeing the kennel be built. I'm gonna do a YouTube video with the kennel being built from start to finish. But yeah, we just working over here at Boston Bully. Nobody never believed me. I'm not listening to everybody on the internet saying this and saying that. I'm gonna do this all by myself with no help and build my reputation over here at Boston Bully, man. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna build everything from scratch over here. Come on, man. Let me fix that collar. Come here, girl. She's definitely official though. Look at this girl, man. Look at her. Come here, mamas. Come here, mamas. Look at this girl. She definitely a cute Merle, man. She definitely gonna be throwing some color. Her and Boss Baby. He got the tick, she got the Merle. Yeah, we're gonna have some fire puppies over here when that litter drops. Sometime in October, I should have my first litter on the ground over here at Boston Bully with her and Boss Baby. I got some other stuff cooking up over here too. But anyway, YouTube, y'all need to hit that like and subscribe button. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway soon too over here at Boston Bully. Once I hit it, 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a random giveaway though. You know what I'm saying? It could be a gift card, it can be something. But we just want to give back, Get back to our fans on YouTube, just to let people know that we ain't playing over here. We don't do this for money, man. I just do this to make these dogs a better breed. This has always been my dream. But anyways, check us out on YouTube. Hit that like and subscribe button over there at Boston Bully Kennels. And check us out on TikTok too, or check us out on Instagram. Boston Bully 23 on Instagram. But yeah, hit us up. Boston Bully Kennels, we out. What's up, Boston Bully Kennel people? We out here today with Boss Baby. Look at this boy. Come on, boy. Over here. What are you doing? Huh? Say hey. Over here. What are you doing? What are you doing, boy? Hey, Boss Baby. Say hey, guys. Say hey. Boss Baby. What are you doing, boy? Boss Baby. Huh? What are you doing? Say hi. Say hi.
Hi there.
Boss Baby. Here. Look at this boy. It's a true bull, man. Trying to show y'all YouTube people. Look at this bull. Look at this. Look at Boss Baby. Come here, boy. What are you doing? Boss Baby. Good boy. Come here, boy. Boss Baby. What are you doing? Look at this boy. Look at this bull. It's a true bull, man. Look at this boy. Look at that. He just want to be outside chilling. Yeah, I like to show y'all, what we doing over here at Boston Bully Kennels, man. Look at this boy. Boss baby. What are you doing, boy? What are you doing? Look at those bows on that boy, man. Look at the body on him. Boss baby. Hey, boy. Hey, don't eat that. Look at this boy. Yeah. That's what we doing over here at Boston Bully Kennels, man. Look, he has a freaky look. Look at this bull, man. That's a real bull. Look at him. Boss baby. Come here, boy. What are you doing? Boss baby, man. Yeah. Yeah, look at us, man. This is what we doing over here at Boston Bully Kennels, man. Let the boy out for a little bit, let him get some fresh air. It's my boy, man. Look at the bows. Look at the way he's stacked. Look at the way this boy stands, man. This is Boss Baby, people. Yeah, a lot of people have been sleeping on Boston Bully Kennels, what we've been doing. But I'm showing off my main stud right now. Boss Baby. Look at this boy. Look at where he is, man. Low to the floor. Good structure. Look at him. Look at this boy. Say hey. Say hi. Say hi. I'm trying to give y'all YouTube some more content over here at Boston Bully, man. Look at this boy. Look at where he stands. Play with a little toy. Come here, boy. Boss baby. So what you looking at, fool? Boss baby. I'll shoot y'all nice content of him. You know, this will be going up today on YouTube, so I'll let y'all people know after I, edit this out. Y'all be seeing more Boss Baby. I'm on my whole team soon, man. Look at this. That's that boy. That's that hitter. We out.